Hello everyone! Ngayon po papakita ko naman sa inyo ano bang laman ng aming refrigerator. Okay, let's get started. We have almond milk. Okay. We have fresh milk. We also have ranch dressing because my husband prefers this over the salad dressing that I'm making because it's too sour for him. Okay, on this side, we have mozzarella cheese. Okay. We have Dijon mustard for my salad dressing. On this side, I have hoisin sauce for my stir-fried vegetables. I have also Tabasco sauce. I have chicken broth for my soups. Meron din akong orange marmalade for my toast. I also have fresh squeezed lemon juice. Fresh ito from Fresh Lemons. We drink this every morning. 1 cup of water and then we put a little bit of honey. This honey is really pure and pasteurized straight from the beehive. We buy this from a reputable bee farm in our area. Okay. Oops, we don't put that in the fridge. This is the beer of my husband when he watches Netflix. Yan. On the top shelf, I have fresh strawberries. I have yogurt. Meron ding mayonnaise because my husband likes eating tuna sandwich. So I make that into a sandwich. Okay, I also have fresh cut pineapples for my special breakfast. And also, of course, we have eggs. I always have ready na salad po. Ayan, lagi kaming may salad na chop up na ito with onions, lettuce, spinach, and radish. Yan, lagi kaming may salad kasi favorite namin yan. I also have red radishes. Yan. I have cucumber for my salad. I also have cauliflower, tomato, spinach, more lettuce. I also have kale, one of the healthiest vegetable on planet Earth. I have leftover carrots. Ayan, binalot ko na lang siya ng paper para huwag siyang mag-freeze. I also have broccoli. Meron din akong taro or gabi in Tagalog for my sinigang. Green onion. Oh, what's that? And also, mawawala ba naman ng ginger? Siyempre, favorite ko yan. Para sa tinola. Lemons. Apples. I also have tofu and more beer. This is my husband's. I don't drink beer. Okay, let's go naman to the freezer section. Ayan, I have frozen berries. Yan po, ang paborito ko. I eat this every day. It's a 3-blend berry, blackberry, raspberry, and raspberry, blueberry, and blackberries. This is frozen, available all year round. We buy this from Costco. We also have multigrain wheat bread. And we have a wild pink salmon that we buy Hindi po siya farmed, so mas healthy siya. Ayan po, ang laman ng aming refrigerator. On the counter, we have nuts. Yan, nuts. I have chia seeds. Chia seeds. I have bananas, of course. And I have cinnamon. Okay, there you have it. Yan lamang po ang papakita ko sa ngayon. And please watch out for more vlogs about healthy living. And hope to see you again. Have a great day, everyone. Bye!